Hello, dear students. Remember that this week we are going to have the last lecture, and after that, in week 5, we have the midterm. For the midterm, you are supposed to study the matter, its composition, the atoms, the different theories about the structure of the atom, also the periodic table, nomenclature, and after that you have to find the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons, knowing the atomic mass and the atomic number. Remember also to calculate the molar mass of a compound and naming different compounds. Remember that they are ionic or covalent, and according with this, they have their own rules. After that, we have the percent composition, finding the empirical formula and the molecular formula, and also we had Avogadro's number that can be used to go from grams of a substance to number of particles. At the end, we studied stoichiometric calculations and the different kind of chemical reactions. Well, it's a lot, but you have a lot of exercises too to study. And remember that every Wednesday we have the tutoring time at the lab, and also I am free for you from 10 to 2 on Mondays. Good luck!